Welcome to this video on the path of least resistance, where we explore the mechanics of electron flow and the factors that restrict it. Current, represented as I, is the flow of charge over time. Similar to water flow being driven by pressure, electrons move due to electric pressure or voltage. Resistance, R, is the property of a conductor to oppose the flow of charges. Electron motion is slowed by collisions with atoms, as summarized by Ohm's law, V equals IR. We ask, does the current depend on the wire's geometry? The resistance of a conductor is determined by its length, cross-sectional area, and the material's nature. Factor 1. Length L. When length is doubled, current is halved, indicating that resistance is directly proportional to length. R is proportional to L. Factor 2. Area A. A thicker wire, like a wider road, offers an easier path. Resistance is inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. R is proportional to 1/A. Factor 3. Nature of material. Even with the same size and shape, the chemistry of the material dictates the resistance. Copper is a low-resistance conductor compared to nichrome. Combining these proportionality relationships gives us the grand unification equation for resistance, R equals ρHO times L over A, where ρHO is the electrical resistivity, a constant. Resistivity, ρ, is a property of the material itself, while resistance depends on the object's shape. The SI unit for resistivity is ohm meter. Materials fall on a spectrum of resistivity. Insulators have high resistivity, like glass. Alloys like nichrome are in the middle, and conductors like silver and copper have low resistivity. Alloys are useful due to their high resistivity, which generates significant heat. They also offer durability, as they don't oxidize at high temperatures. Nichrome is a common alloy. The toaster is a classic application, the toaster paradox. Copper wire, with low resistivity, stays cool, while the nichrome coil, with high resistivity, glows red and generates heat. We engineer resistance to convert energy where needed. For low resistance, we want a short length, a thick area, and a pure metal material. Remember, temperature also affects resistance, though it's assumed constant for Ohm's law. Mastering the flow means understanding that electricity is useful because we can control it. Resistance is not merely an obstacle. It is a tool for modern technology.